Let's talk about Louis Vuitton. Let's talk about my favorite Louis Vuitton handbags. Hi Lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community. Let's get into today's show. It's a lot of body yaddy that's out today, and I don't know how to feel about that. The old holiness church girl in me is screaming like, why are your head, shoulders, knees, and toes out? Because this is a lot, but you know what? It's about to be summer, so show it off. One of the biggest questions that I get is, Fumi, which handbag should be my first handbag? And from the top of the rafters, I'm gonna scream, go Louis Vuitton. I love this brand, not just because it's Louis Vuitton, because God knows there are other brands that are a lot better, a lot of brands that have better leathers. Louis Vuitton is known for their coated canvas, which is not leather. A lot of people don't know this. It's not leather. It's coated canvas. It's not real leather. They do have leather pieces, and now they're leaning more towards leather handbags, but they were trunk makers, and so their coated canvas is really great coated canvas. It goes through a lot of steps to make sure it is durable, looks great, and will last a long time, but again, it is not leather, and anything that's not leather eventually will not last as long as leather. So all that aside, Louis Vuitton is still my #1 place I would say go to if you are looking for luxury bags. I do have a video on luxury handbags as a first time luxury buyer. I'll link it up top, and it names other brands, but today I wanted to focus on Louis Vuitton and some of their bags that you should get as a first time bag buyer. Now, I don't have all the bags, so I will pop pictures to the side of the bags that I don't have, but the ones I do have were some of the first bags that I ever got. So let's answer the question, what handbag should you get from LV when you are just buying a handbag? #1, the Alma BB. Fight with me if you want. I can tussle. Fight with me if you want, but the Alma BB will always come out on top. When you are buying luxury for the first time, this bag fits everything. You can get it in coated canvas, or you can get it in epi leather, and now they have it in other leathers as well. This bag is an everyday bag if there ever was an everyday bag. It fits a wallet, it fits keys, it fits your phone, it fits just about anything, and it zips. Let me say that again. Come close. It zips. And we love a handbag that's not only cute, but it's functional. First one I have is in the epi. The second one is in the coated canvas. This was one of my very first luxury purchases, period. I actually ended up buying it pre-loved from Fashion File, and this one I bought brand new while I was in Vegas. But baby, these bags right here, #1 top handbag if you are just now collecting handbags. Again, let's look at the epi. It has gold hardware. It does come with a lock and a key. The inside is a microfiber cloth, and right now this is currently my everyday bag. It has literally everything that I need inside of it. It has my card keys right here, some sanitary products. You did not see that. My card holder with a couple of my cards, lip gloss, AirPod, and literal trash. All my receipts, everything is inside this bag. This is a bag that I can throw anywhere over my shoulder. I can throw it in a bin. I can throw it and still feel great about it. She does have feet, which is great for me, but with this one, since it's coated canvas with leather in the stabilizing pieces, it does patina over time, and it will get a lot of spots on it that are hard to take off. You can always take these bags to Louis Vuitton and get them to fix the leather pieces for you. If the coated canvas is cracked, I don't think they'll fix it, but they will fix the leather, like the handles, the bottom, they will replace for you. And I think that's what I would do, is take this back to Louis and get them to like make it fresher and newer. And this is my second everyday bag, so it has stuff in it. This is the lined epi leather. I love epi leather because it's a little bit more durable than, let's say, lambskin or even cow skin. You have the microfiber cloth, and the inside is pretty substantial. There's only a sleeve right here for maybe your card holder or a debit card or a business card. I don't know what people put in there. And a top handle strap. The LV logo is really small. Like, this is like one of the quiet luxury things. It does not have a lot of logo. It's that lined leather. You have a little tiny LV right here on the front of the bag. But that is pretty much it for this bag. But when I tell you, this bag is able to take you from point A to point B. I have worn this to dinner with my husband, just like I've worn it running errands with my kids, and I've worn it to events with influencer events or events with my husband's firm. So she's just a versatile bag that would take you from day to night. The Alma BB, I don't have to make those clicking sounds because I can just add the sound. She's the one. The next Louis Vuitton purchase I would say you should get as a beginner handbag lover or buyer is the Pochette Metis. Now, the Pochette Metis is a little bit pricier than the Alma BB. I'm going to put the prices down at the bottom. But this bag, I feel like, is a really, really great bag. It's a little bit on the business side, so you may not like it as much as you like the Alma BB. The Alma BB is like an everyday girl. It can be a really dressed up woman to like a woman that just is casual. She's just a good bag for almost anybody. The Pochette Metis is a little bit prim and proper because of the shape of it. I don't wear her that much, but she was an anniversary gift, so she's not going anywhere. She's a little too proper for my taste. She looks like a mini briefcase. This is the Pochette Metis in the coated canvas. She does come in other leathers as well and other colors. My friend has her in Amperit leather, and she's just as beautiful. She has a back zipper right here that is pretty substantial. Most of the time for back zippers, you're not able to put a lot. This one, you can fit a whole wallet back here. She is an S closure. I think that's what this is called. Isn't this an S closure? Yep. It pops open, and inside of her you have different compartments. Let me bring her close. I have the first compartment right here, which can fit quite a bit. The main compartment in the middle, which can fit like a full-size wallet, and pretty much anything else you want. And then you have a tiny little front compartment as well. The back and front compartment are almost the same. The middle compartment is your larger compartment. She does have crossbody straps that go on the side, so she does have rings for that crossbody strap. Again, she's coated canvas, but she does have leather in some of her pieces. She doesn't have a lot of leather. She's one of those bags that is mostly coated canvas, but her top handle is leather. I had this Louis Vuitton Twilly put on it so I can kind of hold it without the leather patinaing turning brown too quickly. That's the bottom. There's no feet, and she's just a really great hold of a bag. Let me close her. This is the S closure. Again, you push it in to open it, but she's just a really great hold. As a crossbody, she lays really great against your body. She's just flat, so you can just throw her on. She's a little bit too big for me, and the thing is, they just released this, I think, or it's been released in a smaller size, so I'm probably gonna think about getting the smaller size. But for me, she's just a little bit too structured. I like structured bags, but she's very structured. She's very much given like, I'm Elle Woods, I'm headed to law school. And yeah, but she's one of the top bags I recommend when people tell me, hey, I'm looking for a first-time bag. I'm like, the Pochette Metis. She holds a lot, she looks good, she's a great shape, and she's crossbody. And again, you can dress her up or dress her down depending on how you feel for the day. Now again, the bags I'm showing you, they're not bags that increase over time, so you can always go find them pre-loved. I will link pre-loved versions of them down below. They're not investment pieces, but they are pieces that you will be able to resell and make a monochrome of your money back, or keep them forever because they're going to last you a long time. The next bag is a little bit different, but this is for the girl that just likes to be a little bit quirky. You want a first-time bag, but you want your first-time bag to still have some character. The bag I would tell you is the Cans. The Louis Vuitton Cans bag. This bag was so popular when it came out. It was so hard to find, and Louis Vuitton stopped making it, and for a while you had to go pre-loved. Now they've come out with it again, and you can buy it on their site. But I would say go pre-loved if you can find it in great condition. When I bought mine, they weren't making them anymore, so I found this one on Fashion File. but it was in excellent condition. I've had it for like 2 years now. She does have feet, and she is the tri-color. She's bi-colored. The bottom and the front are one color, and then the top is another color in coated canvas. Of course, she does have leather in her stabilizing pieces and her handle, but for the most part, this is it. She does have D-rings and does come with crossbody straps. I don't know where the straps are. They're somewhere hiding. The inside is this gorgeous microfiber. As you can tell, she's kind of dirty. I do wear her quite a bit. The issue with this bag is what fits inside of her. Again, that's the bottom with the feet, and then that is the top and black in the leather stabilizing pieces. When it comes to what fits inside of her, just know an iPhone 15 Pro Max will fit inside her and zip. So pretty much anything that you need essential wise, as long as it's not wide or too tall, will fit inside of this bag. That's why I recommend her. I like that the back of her is flat, so when you wear her as a crossbody, she fits nicely against your body. So you don't have like this big old paint can just bopping along on your waist. She's flat in the back, so she would just lay nicely on your body. But she is one of like the top 3 right now of Louis Vuitton handbags that I would definitely recommend buying. Next Louis Vuitton bag I would recommend buying if you are just first time buying Louis Vuitton is the Vanity PM. I think that's the name of this one. This is like the cutest bag ever. I was obsessed when I got it. I went into Louis Vuitton just trying to la-di-da-di-da, what do you have? They pulled this bag out and I ran and bought it. She's crossbody. She comes with metal and leather gold straps. She has gold hardware. You can see the rings right here on the side. She does have a lock and a key, and she's a double zippered bag. So she zips this way and the other way, and then the lock is right here in the middle, so you can lock her up, go about your day. If you're traveling, you can put her crossbody straps on and just walk around the airport with her. The back also is a little bit flatter so that she lays pretty nicely against your body. She's coated canvas. She is bi-colored coated canvas, just like the Cans bag, with leather in her stabilizing pieces. Let me unzip her. I'm gonna bring her close. Hold on, hold on. These are the crossbody straps. One thing I will say about the crossbody straps is it's not that long. I mean, this is pretty much it. So I would suggest you just go to Louis and buy crossbody straps that are a little bit longer and adjustable. She will fit an iPhone 15 Pro Max. She'll fit your wallet, she'll fit your keys, she'll fit your makeup, and anything else you kind of want her to fit, she will fit. She doesn't look like she's a big girl, but she packs a punch. This is her. As you can tell, she has feet. She's bi-colored, which I just love the bi-colored Louis. And then the inside is a microfiber cloth, top and bottom, which is easy to clean. This is her top handle. When she closes, she's just a really, look at her. She's just a cute bag to hold in your hand. She's very ladylike, which I love. Now, if you're looking for a Louis Vuitton that's under $1,000, let me talk about this next bag. I don't know what this bag is going for now, but this is a toiletry bag. I think 26. I will put it down below. I don't remember. But when I bought her, she was like $700. I wear her as a purse. I do not wear her as a toiletry bag. She goes directly underneath my arm like this, and I kind of just wear her. When I wore her a lot, I wore her just like this to events. Now I don't wear her as much, but she's still a bag that I'm gonna keep because she was one of my first Louis Vuitton purchases, brand new. The Alma BB was my first one, but it was pre-loved. This was the first one I bought from Louis Vuitton at my Saks Fifth, and I think she's just a really cute clutch. She's not too big, not too small, and then if you want to wear her as a toiletry bag, you definitely can. What I've seen a lot of people do is get a bag insert with D-rings, put it in it, zip it up, and then they're able to wear it as a crossbody. But again, she's a toiletry bag, so she is not that. She does have like this rectangular bottom, so she actually sits really well on shelves. I have another like pouch, Louis Vuitton pouch. It's like an envelope pouch that's literally just a pouch, so you can't sit it on surfaces, it just falls over. But this one, the way they did it, because it's a toiletry pouch, so you should be able to put like your makeup, lipsticks, whatever inside of her. She sits well. She zips. Oh, I've been looking for this dress. She zips, and y'all, when I tell you this bag is almost like brand new, the inside is this gorgeous pebbled leather which they did the leather on the inside because it's a toiletry pouch. They get makeup and everything inside of it, so they wanted it to be easy to clean off. So that is the next bag that's under $1,000 that I would recommend if you are looking for just a luxury handbag from Louis Vuitton. While I was filming this video, my 4-year-old had a bathroom emergency, and I forgot to talk about this Speedy. That's another Louis Vuitton bag that I would highly recommend. This is the Speedy in the nylon. I love this bag. The Speedy is having a resurgence with Pharrell. The leather Speedies, I'll pop pictures up to the side, but it is another great Louis Vuitton purchase that you can get. Again, I will link pre-loved versions of this item from Fashion File, Rebag, or any of the other sites on here, but add Speedy to your list of Louis Vuitton bags you should buy as a first-time luxury buyer. That's pretty much it. I didn't want the video to be convoluted or long. I know when you see people doing suggestions, they have like 50 bags and you're like, but that doesn't help because I still don't know what to buy. I wanted to focus on Louis, the brand, and then my top like 5 or 6, I think it was like 5 bags that I would get if I was just starting out buying luxury items, or I just wanted to add one luxury piece in my wardrobe. Now again, these bags come in different leathers. You don't have to get coated canvas. You can get any other epi, ambrette, cow skin even now. So you can get any other leather you want to get, but the shapes of this bag, the functionality of it, the look of it is really great for a first time bag. They will take you from day to night, and they're easy to pair with a lot of items inside of your closet. Again, I do have a video with luxury handbags you should buy when you're just starting out, and that video includes other brands as well, but today we're just focusing on LV. So I really hope that helped. Comment any other questions or suggestions or video ideas that you may have, or bags you want to explore a little bit further, and we will talk about it. If you are not a part of my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And if you're not following me on all my other social media platforms, it is Fumi Ford across all platforms. I'm going to link my earrings and the outfit that I have on today, as well as my makeup, lighting equipment, everything down in the description box. And I'll also link pre-loved links for the bags that I talked about in the description box below. Thank you so much for spending time with me on this corner of the internet. I will see you later. Love you, mean it. Bye.